Dude, what's this video even about?
This episode's definitely about female empowerment.
Hell yeah. Yeah, we're about it. Oh! Okay, see ya.
See you, Paul.
Bye, Paul.
Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Gotta keep those lips moist.
Yes! All right. Back to it. Back to the grind. Back to the dirty old grind. Eric was jealous of our safety glasses.
What?
Shout out Eric Zankowski, dude.
Red safety glasses.
Rats, dude.
What are you doing here?
Freaking out.
Why?
Going deep on it, dude. Trying to have, you know, get a good tack. You gotta go in a different location.
I can't be here.
Yeah, you gotta tell me if this thing's rotating correctly. I think that might be it.
Right there. Hold it right there.
Yeah.
I can see it from here.
Okay, ready? Everybody look at the light. Oh, fuck my ass. Oh, fuck my ass. Don't put that in. I burnt my thumb. Fuck my ass. Oh, cocksucker.
Stop moving.
That burnt glove smell always brings me back to high school, Craig. Are we there?
Yeah.
Clean your tungsten, they said.
Clean your tungsten.
Guys, keep a clean tungsten.
Wow.
Boys, because we're like 99% boys, clean your tungsten.
Yeah, shout out to any of our female subscribers.
Shout out to all the female subscribers. All 6 of you. If you're here, things probably aren't going well.
That's hilarious. If you're here, things probably aren't going well at home. So you should probably call someone.
Dag. You should join our Patreon. We'll totally help you, you know, get back on track.
I'll be your therapist.
Craig will be your therapist. Does everything look chill? It's very, what was that? What was the old game on the computer with the pipes?
You talking about the screensaver?
I'm talking about the screensaver.
It wasn't a game.
Yep, that's what I'm talking about.
I mean, I'm sure you could find a way to make it a game, but it was not a game.
Okay, all right. We're on the same page. We're on the same page.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
What was that called? Screensaver.
Screensaver. Pipe screensaver.
Pipe screensaver. That was my go-to screensaver, I think.
That's the best one.
That was the best one for sure.
Let me see if I can find it.
Because what was the other one? What were the other ones? There was like the other ones were like you could like use a picture and have like multiple of that picture, right? There was like a screensaver you could have where like you could upload a picture, but you could make it like.
There was the bouncy one.
Oh yeah, the bounce
Boing,
one.
boing, boing.
And then what else?
Boing,
Yeah.
boing, 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 boing.
And then obviously you could have like the scenic background. Come on, dude, the scenic screensaver. Did that not come out till later? What is up with the bottom of it?
It's just top heavy.
Dude. All right, I guess I can just like weld this whole thing up now. I gotta clear the table off. Everything's gotta get moved. Move the welder over here and move the welder over there.
You're gonna do a little bit of welding here?
Like am I gonna stitch weld some stuff here? Yeah. I stitch weld a bunch of that already.
Okay.
This one I haven't yet because I had to redo some stuff. Yeah, when I go to mount it, I'll get the. Why is that going on?
It's because you didn't do any welding on it.
What? I don't have it stitched. All right, maybe I should weld some stuff on those. God damn it!
Let's get some artsy fartsy shots.
Get in there. Get the art going. Art. Did this whole thing move? Probably, right? Oh yeah, the weld is definitely pulling it. All right. Oh!
What do you hear? What do you say?
I guess it's time to take these off and weld them.
Nice.
Right on the floor. Never to be seen again. Right on the floor, never to be seen again. Bam.
Shop organization 1-0.
Thanks for the duster, Josh. Motherfucker. See these new bad boys I got on, dude?
What?
What's up, dude? See these new bad boys?
Wow.
Yeah, that's right.
Are they like water shoes?
Girls shoes. Female. These shoes are female.
Gender is a construct.
Damn, dude, so isn't time, bro. That's why these bikes take us so long to build.
That's a great thing. We
You
should
know?
probably say to every single customer.
Time is a construct, okay?
That's why these bikes are precious.
That's why these, well, exactly. We love constructs. Ooh, that's hot. Hello. All right.
You gonna pipe?
Ooh, I gotta put my welding thong on.
What's your welding song?
I gotta put my welding thong on. Can't be welding without your thong on, you know? There you go.
This is good.
There we go. There it is.
Just anything for the content, I guess. Damn,
Yeah.
look at that thing.
Don't weld without your thong on. Rolling death, dude. Rolling death. All right. Oh, we gotta get. I need the welding machine too, dude. How's my butt look?
You can't even tell you're wearing it.
Dude, totally on the Patreon. Check out my welding thong pics on the Patreon.
Bend over. please bend over.
There.
Oh, nice, bro.
I gotta get this thing off. I don't even know how to get it off now. Where is it?
Where is it?
Oh, dude, this is what girls have to deal with?
I don't understand why girls
Oh,
wear thongs.
God, it's the worst. Oh, God.
I imagine that tickles your butthole
I would imagine it rubs your butthole, yeah.
the entire time.
Yeah.
This episode's definitely about female empowerment.
Hell
okay?
yeah. Yeah, we're about it. You're gonna need a man to do that.
To show you how to be empowered.
Duh.
Yeah.
Think they know how to do it?
Otherwise, they would have already been.
Right, the little bird brains aren't gonna know how to fucking do it without a man.
Cancelled.
Hell yeah. Imagine that.
If that's what it was, that's
That's what took us out. Steel.
moon bats.
Damn, dude, everyone's getting a shout out today.
Yeah, we'll give it all. Why not? Spread the wealth.
Edited them all out. Go to Lame Genie, guys. Don't edit this one out. Go subscribe to Lame Genie on YouTube, all right? That shit's tight. Jeff, our boy Jeff's tight. Get after it. Lame Genie on YouTube.
I guess now would be a good time to.
Oh, also go to throttleaddiction.com, okay? www.throttleaddiction.com. worldwideweb.throttleaddiction.com. Okay? Buy all your chopper parts. You could get these. They actually make the Rets, but I think you gotta go to a different area for that. Throttleaddiction.com. Springers, top clamps, fenders, hardtails.
Tires, wheels, bungs.
They got everything. All right? They got fucking everything. All right?
So go to throttleaddiction.com.
Ooh.
Click the link right here.
Click the link here.
Nice.
Click the link. Or my tongue is pointing. Click it. That's right. You're not gonna you're not gonna regret it. All right. If you're like, oh man, how do I get into this whole chopper thing? Throttleaddiction.com. Shout out to fucking us.
Dude,
Why are they
don't you get
shouting us
enough?
out?
Don't you get enough?
Shout out to us and all the stuff that we do.
Okay. Shout out to Bikes and Beards.
Damn. I don't think he wants that. I don't think he wants us talking about him anymore.
It's too late.
Nah, there it is.
Gentle. The gentle art.
The gentle art. That's what they call it. That's what they call welding.
There's nothing gentle about what's
I feel
going
like my
on
brain
here.
is melting.
Why? What's wrong?
I don't know. I just feel like my brain is melting.
What the fuck was that?
My jaw is. I need to stretch the jaw.
You got TMJ?
I got TMJ.
If you order the
Let me see.
Olive Garden, if you order the endless soup salad and breadsticks from Olive Garden and you really want to get your money's worth, after 2 bowls, go to the bathroom, clear out, and go back for more.
More exhaust welding. You know what I do remember? You agreeing to go to Bike Week! Bike Week! Bike Week, Craig. Craig is Mr. fucking Bike Week.
I heard it's canceled.
They're gonna
Sorry.
give you the fucking Bike Week award, dude.
For what?
For showing up. King of Bike Week. That's what they're calling you now. That's what I'm hearing from Grapevine.
King of Bike Week.
That's what they're saying. You've
That's-
dethroned Barowitz.
Is he the king of bike week?
King of Bike Week. Fuck a V-block, dude. Just use the stack. Fucking.
That's what Dave Perowitz would do.
That's right, Davey. Davey T. Local legend. Billy Lane's the king of Bike Week.
He might be,
If I'm
actually.
thinking about it.
Isn't he from Florida?
Yeah. Dude.
What?
Got that gas, huh?
Yeah. How do you decide where to weld?
What?
How do you decide, like, where to weld?
How do I decide where to weld?
Yeah, like, well, I'm gonna weld that joint, maybe that joint.
You just skip around. Keep it random. Let the welding decide. Let the pipe decide.
It's speaking
Let
to
it
you.
speak to you, okay? Let the exhaust pipe decide where you weld. See, like I just welded that joint, right?
Yeah.
Now, I'm gonna go to this joint.
Wow.
Oh, no, it doesn't want me to weld there. Maybe it wants you to go all the way down here.
Oh.
Let's find out, huh? Let's find out.
Okay.
Yup. Motherfucker! Dude, what's this video even about?
It's a good question.
What are any of them even about?
This just shows you a few tips.
This is a tips and tricks video.
Yeah.
This is a moto vlog video. This is my, this is this video is about our journey. Okay. This video is about our journey. My pussy is dry right now. You know what I said I'd start doing?
What?
Is welding them in the vise. And
Why?
I didn't do that.
That seems scary.
Scary? Dude, it's way better.
Once you can spin them.
Yeah, and hold it instead of it rocking on the table. Yep. Still fucking suck at welding exhaust pipes. One day I'll get better, maybe.
What do you think it is?
Me.
You're just not a butt weld guy?
I don't know what it is about exhaust pipes. You know? Like, it's not like the welds are like terrible, but I know I can weld so much better than this. They're just hard. It's just hard to weld. I don't know. Maybe my fit up sucks. Maybe my fit up is just a pain in the ass. I gotta get better at fitting them.
Exhaust pipe fitter?
Maybe I gotta get a job at a muffler shop, building custom exhaust pipes.
They'll teach you how to do it real quick.
And I'll be fucking really good at it. You know? Find a job at a fucking muffler shop where they're cutting cats out and scrapping them. Isn't that like a big thing right now?
Yeah.
Catalytic converters are like like a ton of money.
Yeah.
Is it like they just like went way up in price or something? What's the deal with catalytic converters? Why are they so hot right now?
Let's do some research. Mainly because
They got precious gems
the
in them.
precious metals that are included in the converter, such as platinum or
Oh,
platinum-like
dang,
materials
you
such as
cheap.
palladium. What are you doing? Oh,
Yeah. It's this kind of time.
need to get fired up a little bit.
Mm.
Loose.
I think that's what the problem is with the welding. Okay? I think if I get a couple of these in me, the welds would be a lot nicer.
All right.
That front pipe is gonna suck. There's like a bajillion fucking joints on there. Oh, God damn it. Dripping all over the floor.
Spilled a lot.
Oh yeah.
Still a lot in there.
A lot in there. Is there more? Dude, I went long johns today. No underwear. Is that
the rule?
normal? Do you usually? I usually wear underwear with long johns.
I usually wear underwear with long johns.
Yeah, and I didn't. I was like, you know what?
What do you think?
It's weird, but I'm into it.
Do you like it better?
Kinda.
Why?
It's just like less bullshit, you know?
Underwear is bullshit.
Underwear under long johns can be, they get all frazzled sometimes, you know what I mean?
I mean, underwear in general for me.
Underwear in general sucks, but why when I have long johns should I be wearing underwear? There's a pee hole in the underwear. I mean, there's a pee hole in the long johns.
You use the pee hole?
No, but I'm saying it's there.
I never use the pee hole.
Never use the pee hole. But I'm a grown man.
Yeah, that's a weird thing.
What am I
right?
gonna do? Fish around in there for that? No.
All right, okay.
Daddy. Saturday, Daddy. Welding. Welding. What did a weld? Ah, damn! Timing, dude. It's all about timing.
Welding.
Welding.
I thought you were gonna do this in the vise.
I am.
Are you though?
I'm doing it in of ice.
How's this going, bro?
That's not right.
Not good.
Huh?
Is it going all right?
It's going. It's going. It's going.
What do you think?
I think we should leave.
Okay. Is there anything you want to say before?
There's nothing I want to say. Not today. Not never.
You're not feeling it today?
Not today, dude. We're not doing it today. All
Why?
right? We're fucking not.
It's gonna be okay.
We're not. All right? Is that a 33?
You don't know what you have?
I have no idea what that is. It might be 35, it might be 33. We don't know. But all I know is like and subscribe, baby.
Please like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to the channel. Like and subscribe to our Instagram. Like and subscribe to our TikTok. Like and subscribe to our Patreon. Go there, spend your money. Spend your hard-earned cash on us. Okay? Because we'll spend it better than you.
That's a great way of putting it.
All right? We'll spend it for you, guys. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to the channel. All right? A lot of stuff happening soon. Bike week. Merch. New bikes. Knuckleheads. Panheads.
New bikes?
We're building bikes.
Oh,
New bikes.
Okay. I thought
New builds. New builds.
New
old
builds.
builds.
All right.
The same old builds. The same old guys.
Sounds good.
You know? So like and subscribe. Bike week. Everyone should go. We'll be there. Hanging out. Bring us Bud Light seltzers and mushrooms.
Wow.
And parts. Bring us parts. Panhead parts, knucklehead parts, shovelhead parts.
Bring us love.
Bring us love, support. All right? We're going to be there. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Ready? Ready?
Come,
Like and subscribe.
Come full circle.
That's right.